Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to announce a good news for you guys that RRB has declared the tentative date for preliminary exams of assistants and officer scale 1 and along with officer scale 2 and 3 also. We can check that they have given the multiple dates for preliminary exams, like we can see that 12th September, 13th September, 19th September, and 20 September and 26 September for officer scale 1 and officer assistant, and for officer scale 2 and 3 they have given only one date, that is 18th of September, and for mains only they have given the date, that is 18th of October, and office assistant for 31st October. So guys, we can see that there we don't have enough time, so we have to prepare preliminary exams definitely, but along with we have to continue the mains exams, because we can see that there is only 1 month of time between pre and mains exams. So if we only prepare for preliminary exams, then we cannot clear the mains exams. So guys, hurry up and boost up your preparations as much as you can. You try to solve maths along with reasonings, because English is not the part of the preliminary exams. So you have to definitely English is the part, but not for free, and it will come in mains. So as much as you can, give your time, because situation is not so good, and somewhere there is a questions because of red zone. What will be the exams in red zone, and the candidate, those who are from red zone, how they have appeared the exams, we really don't know. Even RRB also, they don't give any information regarding the red zone candidates, what will be happened, and how they have appeared the exams. So guys, don't think too much right now, because this is not the time to waste about thinking anything, and try to solve the questions. That will be definitely help your to crack the exams. Okay, now we are going to check some cutoffs. We are going to check some previous year's cutoff, that almost we can see in Andhra Pradesh there was 58.50, Bihar 58, Chhattisgarh 55, Gujarat 43.5, Haryana 64. Almost we can see that 55 to 65 cutoffs was there in 2019. So this year competition is too much high, guys. So we can assume that almost 60 to 65 cutoffs will be there for officer scale 1 PO. Okay, so officer scale 1, there will be cutoff, I think 60 to 65. So you have to attempt at least 70 questions along with 100% accuracy, guys. And for mains we can see almost 85 to 100. So we can check here, as we can see that mains cutoff was in Andhra Pradesh 79, Arunachal 66, Chhattisgarh 84, Gujarat 55.19, and there was in less cutoff in Maharashtra, Manipur, so on, guys. And the highest cutoff, I think it is in Uttarakhand, 102.81. In Uttarakhand the cutoff was high, but that's not the matter, guys, because competition is high. So this year also cutoff will be too much high. So don't get tense, and don't hesitate, and don't waste your time thinking about something that what will be the exam, so will happen or not, what will be the dates, exactly the date. And we really don't know anything, but as much as we can see, IBPS has declared the date, so we are going to take it seriously and started your preparations as much as you can do. Okay, so guys, I'm going to finish these sessions, and all the best, guys, from my side and from my team. And try to solve as much as you can maths and reasoning with English also. And all the best guys, and bye bye.